Prince! Prince! Halika na, tingnan mo. Yan. Wow! Amazing! Ang galing naman ni Prince. Wow, galing nga. Wow, galing nga mag-shoot ah. Sige.
Sige, mamaya na yun.
Tuloy. Daming tanong ni Prince.
What if it just recommend
Why can I see rainbow in his scales?
because of the reflection of the
mirror?
Sabi nila. Kasi ang laki ng ano, itong taon. Ang tama
Hindi, wala. Grabe. Ano nila?
Alam mo na pagkamuntan natin.
because sometimes when they're swimming from down, there are like things like this. It's from inside.
Kaya, yung sa nataas.
Oh, what?
Parang tayo lang tao dito. Direct ba natin?
Just the crocodile. You can see the size. See everything same here. With this crocodile, the size is different. It's all because of the evolution of them.
That's the actual one.
Yes, the prehistoric one.
Oh,
Inside this, look at the size of the baby crocodile for 3 months. So it just takes like 3
so,
months.
are those baby crocodiles that are dead? This one is
Not real.
what?
Not real. So we just want to show like how it looks like inside the egg.
Okay.
But that egg is real? This red?
It's
This
an
egg?
empty shell.
I have a question. Are these actually
Why no have, wait,
It was
wait.
infertile.
Oh.
You see, we cleaned it from
Ah,
it. Because if
that's
you
why.
keep it like that, it will start smelling.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Excuse me, are they dead or just statues? Because they're not
Look
real.
at there. One on the top there, the part is not on that side. Where?
You see that? You see that? You see that?
They
Yeah.
are moving.
It's moving, moving.
It's because that one on the top is not moving. This one moving, see?
See.
Can we,
Base stop again.
can we start?
4:30, you will touch that one.
Tumatayo ako. Alam ko, pwede ikaw kainin.
Ano?
Pwede kainin?
I never had